Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today I'm going to be giving away or announcing the winner to the giveaway for the steamer basket. But I wanted to show you a little bit about the steamer basket and contrast it to an older one I have and show you something that I did with the eggs with the steamer basket. So this is the deluxe steamer basket. It's stainless steel and it just folds up for easy storage. These legs remove in case you want to lay it down in a drawer or something like that. That is the one we're giving away today. This is my old one. Now this one's been well used for many years, and it's very flimsy compared to this one. This one's heavy, this one's real light, but it still does the job. The way this one is done on the bottom, these are the feet compared. The weight is totally different. The feet are made different, but still, it still works. This one is a touch smaller than this one, but I can put in a pot about this size approximately 8 to 9 eggs, I think. This one I did in a pot, I had 10 eggs in it. So the difference between the deluxe and just an old, I don't know, this one's got to be more than 12 years old probably, but it's been well used, y'all. It works really well, where this one's still a little bit stiff. The deluxe steamer, that's what we're giving away today. Now, I did these eggs yesterday. These were fresh eggs. I had just gotten them out of the chicken coop the evening before, and y'all, every egg peeled amazing. Not one of them, I mean not one, had a problem. The shell peeled off. When you steam eggs, even fresh eggs, the night before, guys, look at that. Isn't that amazing? The steamer basket from Deluxe, it's a great idea. I love that one. It is going to be my go-to for almost anything. I did onions, zucchini and squash in it, and it was amazing just steaming it, and it was not mushy and falling apart like when you boil it, or sometimes when you saute it, it falls all to pieces. This was amazing. So use your veggies, use your steamer basket. If you want one, there'll be a link in the description below. But the winner is Monica Sherman. Monica, email me at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com with your address. I will get that out to you next week. And guys, there'll be more kitchen gadgets and giveaways in the future. I love doing these things. Even though I had one, I thought the stainless one would be an awesome addition to my kitchen. And yeah, I could have went and bought it. I really could. But this way I get to give one away, and I like giveaways, guys. So stay tuned for more. We'll talk to you later. Bye from Crazy Days.